Alright everyone, we are here at Ultimate Express Car Wash on a very foggy day, and we are going to check it out. This one, to my knowledge, I'm pretty sure that this one has a Peco tunnel, but we will see. Ultimate Express. This is the Ogden location. So I will pause until we're going in, or if I can get a walkthrough, if possible. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Alright, here we go. Okay, here we go.
Okay. All right.
Putting a bag over the wiper so that the car wash doesn't damage it. Yep, I was correct. This is a Peco tunnel.
Awesome.
This is an interesting setup.
Would you like a Talon air freshener?
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah? What kind of air freshener would you like?
Something fruity.
Something fruity?
Actually,
like pina colada?
Oh, yeah. Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
Hey, you too. Have a good day. Oh, this is an awesome towel. Feel that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It's cool.
Slightly damp, too.
And then these air fresheners go right on your vent.
That's awesome. Yeah, you can
I
just,
think I'm gonna.
yeah, you can just stick them there. Whatever. Ooh, that air freshener smells amazing.
Yeah. Ooh, it's nice. I like this towel.
Yeah.
I can clean my dash while I'm going through the tunnel.
Yeah. You should probably fold in your mirrors.
Oh, sorry. Good point.
Oh, we got high pressure. Top brush and tri-foam. Another set of wraparounds. Man, a lot happens fast.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a high pressure arch. Nice and quiet. This is probably our wax here.
Oh, it smells amazing.
And then midder, front to back midder. Oh, this is cool.
Oh, yeah.
So cloth, or like, yeah, like one whole strip. Then we got something. Rocker brushes. We got some McNeil arches.
Wow.
Tire shine and undercarriage wash. This is a Motor City tire shiner and Motor City dryers. they got LED strips on it.
Nice.
Oh, I should probably look at the dryers. Those dryers work very well.
They do.
Yeah, so
Awesome.
yeah, that is the Ultimate Express car wash. What did you think of that one?
Oh, 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
That was awesome.
yeah, even with the new scale, still 10 out of 10?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
I really felt like it was a great wash. And they gave us a towel. And
An air freshener.
and I can return the towel right here, which I think is brilliant. Because most of the time people don't want to just have a towel. That was great though. Actually,
Yeah.
okay, even with the new scale, maybe it's a 9 out of 10. But honestly, I can't find any fault with this place. So
I would say 10 out of 10, yeah.
Truly.
So yeah, that is the Ultimate Express car wash. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.